perfect success about all of these projects that you are going to realize between Jamaatul Noor and your enterprise. And we are proud of seeing China once again coming to Senegal and into many other African countries to realize the relationship economically, politically between China and the world entirely, and the Senegal particularly. Thank you for your presence. That is what I would like to say on behalf of serigne dabakh mansour the Khalif, and on behalf of Jamaatul Noor, which is your partner, which the president is here, the minister Mohamed Mokhtar Cissé, and all the different engineers who are taking care of building this great mosque of Tivaouane. Assalamu alaikum. That was my word, really.